What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the vlog. For those of you who are new, I'd like to say welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. And for today, we're going to be working on the TSX here. And let me just show you guys what we got for today. Yes, sir. We are going to be swapping out the clutch. So the car has been acting a little weird lately. My pedal feels really off. There's too much play in the pedal, and the engagement is extremely low. It's like to the floor. I come to find out that it's the slave cylinder and also the clutch, so we're going to be replacing both those things today. It's going to be my first time actually removing the transmission on this car, so hopefully it goes smooth. But yeah, let's just get the car on jack stands and start removing everything that we possibly can. And another thing, we're not gonna be removing the subframe. We're just gonna do everything in the car, and hopefully it works out. So let's get to it. In the air. Now we're just gonna remove the bumper and try to see what we're gonna work with removing the intake and anything else that's on this side where the transmission is. And then we're gonna go on the bottom and remove the housing bolts and also the half shaft bolts on the back of the block. Bumpers off. So we got to take out the battery tray. We're gonna remove the fans, this hose here, the intake, and then anything that's attached to the transmission, like the cables, any other harnesses, and the slave. I'm gonna be replacing that anyway, so gotta take that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, and also I might remove this to make some space, or even just loosen it up. But yeah, after that I think the transmission should be exposed enough, and then my plan is to just move it to the side as far as possible to get to the bolts where the clutch and the flywheel are, and then from there we should be good to go. So yeah, let's just see. Alright, quick update. So I removed the fans from the radiator. I removed battery and the battery tray intake. Moved this hose out the way. I removed my power cord for the amp that I have side. Broke this clip off here because I couldn't get it out. I have to remove it from back here as well. I have to take the cables out next. I also took the wheels out on both sides. Gotta penetrate this in order to remove the axle bolt. I gotta take off the rotor and the brake pad and the caliper on both sides. So yeah, we're making progress right now. So one big thing though is that they say to use OEM throwout bearing because it's the best. And I ordered it online, it hasn't gotten here, so I have to go over to Acura to get it. So I'm gonna do that in a bit, so I can get that going, because I don't want to put this one in and then have to take everything out to put it when it gets here. So I'll just buy it, get that going. Yeah, it's been going good so far. Alright guys, let me give you guys another update. So driver's side axle is out. I had to take the spindle out, and I just now took the half shaft out from the transmission. Now the next thing for me is to locate all the housing bolts and remove them, and then this should be able to pop right out, and from there we should be golden to remove the clutch and flywheel that we have inside, just to see how it's looking, and then we can swap that right out. All the visible bolts are out. Right now I'm trying to see if I can get the housing to come apart. It seems like it's still held on at the bottom, so yeah. Right now I'm talking to a fellow YouTuber. His name's Laudo. He has a TSX as well, and this is the method that was recommended by him. I've seen him remove the transmission, and you know, he placed it on top of the subframe. So I'm pretty much done. I just can't figure out what bolt is the one that's holding the transmission in to the motor. So yeah, once we figure this out, then we could work on the clutch and removing that. So yeah, let's see what it is. But I did remove the bolt that was here. I did remove this bolt there. There's another bolt there. I don't know if you guys could see that. Whew. Transmission is apart. It's called Craft Brown. Yeah. Close to like, yeah. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, taking the throwout bearing out right now. This is enough room for me to just swap out the clutch, everything that I need to take out, and put everything back in. So yeah, this looks freaking, this has to be OEM, and I'm guessing that the slave cylinder wasn't pushing it out all the way because of how gunky this is. So yeah, we already have the Honda one, so we're gonna swap that out, swap out the clutch. My battery's about to die, so I might switch to my phone. So I'll just keep updating you guys as I go, and yeah, making moves, progress. All right, clutch is out. Let's see, we're gonna compare it to the other one, the new one. I went with the Action Clutch Stage 1 because I wanted to still have that OEM feel. I didn't want nothing aggressive. Got it right here. Tray flip. Let's get it. Alright. This is the new one right here with the pressure plate and everything. See the thickness? Yeah. follow-up video to show you guys how it feels, how it drives. I gotta wait, I think 500 miles before, you know, I beat on the car or anything like that. So yeah, it's us. Got the car right here. Got Kyle. Smokey just left. But yeah. If you guys need any help or have any questions, please let me know. Again, shout outs to Lauro for, you know, guiding me in this. And yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, all that good stuff for the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.